In this video, we'll talk about the crypto market and especially a new exchange protocol called Pechoto. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video, and before we start I do want to say that all the links you will need for Pechoto will be down in the description. So for now, let's dive right into it. So Pechoto is an exchange protocol. You can actually use their platform and use their services to sell your Bitcoin and Litecoin, those are the available coins right now on their platform, for a higher exchange rate than on exchanges. So here you can see their website, pechoto.com, and again, don't worry if you forget the links. All the links will be down in the description. But here you can actually see that you can exchange Bitcoin with PayPal. So you can actually sell your Bitcoin, sell your Litecoin to them on this protocol right here on their website, and you will actually get money on PayPal deposited. So for example, right now you can actually compare the exchange rates of Pechoto with, for example, Huobi, Binance and Poloniex, big cryptocurrency exchanges, and you can see that you can sell your Bitcoin for way more than what you can sell your Bitcoin for on their exchanges. And the same goes for Litecoin, where you can right now actually sell your Litecoin for $82, where the average market rate is almost $71. So if you want a full guide on how Pechoto works and how you can actually use their services, you can go to their website, enter your mail right here, and you can receive a full guide. But it's very simple and intuitive. The only thing you need to do is you need to choose the coin you want to exchange. So exchange Litecoin or exchange Bitcoin. Then you have to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell, how much USD that is. Enter your PayPal email, and if you have a coupon code, do that as well. And then you only press sell Bitcoin now, which will give you an address where you need to send the Bitcoin to, and you will actually receive the money on your PayPal very quickly. So I would definitely recommend you to sign up for the guide and consider using it. When you have actually transferred the funds to the wallet that they give you, so you can actually receive the funds on your PayPal, you can also check the payment status right here. If you scroll down from the top of their page at check payment status. And on their website, which I would definitely recommend you to check out as well, you can also see all the frequently asked questions about Pechoto. So they, for example, already have guides on how to use Pechoto using Binance or Nova DEX. You can see which cryptocurrencies you can exchange, which right now you only have Bitcoin and Litecoin. You can see who pays the fees, both the PayPal fees and the blockchain fees. But apart from that, you can also read more about the PayPal rules and how they cope with that, how long an exchange actually takes, if it is safe to use your PayPal, and all the things you need to know regarding the entire exchange. So I would definitely recommend you to check out this as well, because it's actually very handy to know. So as of right now, as I said earlier, it's Bitcoin or Litecoin and PayPal only. It is secure and trusted, and we will also get to some of the comments made by users already. It's a premium service, very easy to use and guaranteed security, and there's a great team of developers behind the platform right now. And apart from that, on Pechoto you also have the VIP Club, where regular traders can earn more and get several benefits by joining it. So the thing you need to do is the minimum sum of transactions per week of entering the VIP Club is $500. So you need to transact at least $500 every week. And then the VIP Club gives 0.5% up to 3% of the rate of your transactions, depending on your amount of transactions of the calendar week. So you will need to do over $500 in transactions per week to be added to the VIP Club. And then every Monday at 12 o'clock, you will actually get your extra rewards. On their website, and once more, I do want to remind you that all the links for Pechoto will be down in the description. You can also read some of the reviews by clients, which I would definitely recommend you to do as well, to kind of see how other people are enjoying their service and what they think of it. So Pechoto actually allows you to make hundreds or thousands of dollars a month more by buying Bitcoin cheap and selling it for more, or buying Litecoin cheap and selling it for more as well. So I would definitely recommend you to check it out. You can already start with, for example, $1. So yes, you can start with very low amounts, and you can have any wallet to actually start using Pechoto. So that's how Pechoto works. So with that, we've reached the end of this video. We talked about Pechoto, how it works, their website, everything you need to know, and how you can actually start exchanging your Bitcoin and Litecoin for a higher exchange rate. So lastly, I do want to remind you that all the links you will need will be down in the description. But for now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.